Hi, I'm Keegan, and the camera recorder right now is Charlotte.
Hello.
And for our passion time, we've been working on this elephant, and a website that we call allelephants.com.
All elephants at weebly.com.
Yeah. And on this website, we've really tried to get tons of facts for elephants in different categories, like just elephants in general, their survival, how people have used elephants, Asian elephants, African elephants, and my favorite, the pygmy elephant.
So, Keegan can explain about the three types, I guess.
Alright, so the Asian elephant. Asian elephants are extremely sociable, forming groups of 6 to 7 related females that are led by the oldest female, the marsupial. Like African elephants, these groups occasionally join others to form herds, although these associations are relatively not common. That's what that word means. The Asian elephant, whose habitat ranges over 4 countries across Asia.
So, they're in 4 countries across Asia. I can't talk today.
Is an endangered species with less than 40,000 remaining worldwide. Asian elephants suffer severe habitat loss in some of the most densely human-populated regions.
Can I say something?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, the elephants are mostly getting harmed just by people because they're destroying our habitat for their wood, and they're destroying or killing elephants for this tusk because they want to make necklaces, they want to make anything cool. But it's really it's not cool to kill an elephant. And this elephants never sit down, so this is an unrealistic picture, but we couldn't get it to stand up. So this elephant is a working elephant because he has a saddle, and a guy or a soldier, a soldier could ride on the saddle and fight in the war, or a person could ride in a saddle and just go somewhere. That was their transportation back then, and he's spraying water into the pond.
Yeah, so that's our elephant, and now for the African elephant. African elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth. They are slightly larger than their Asian cousins and can be identified by their larger ears that look somewhat like the continent of Africa. African elephants are elephants of certain families and stuff. It's all has to do with tons of genes that the elephant has. And then my favorite, the pygmy elephant. That's a little pygmy elephant right there. So-called pygmy elephants are reported to be living in both Africa and Asia. The African pygmy elephant, formerly described as the Loxodonta humilis, is currently considered to be a tiny morph of the African forest elephant. So it's almost like with people, how you can be born shorter than other people, little people sort of. It's kind of like that. It happens with elephants too. So that's kind of how some pygmy elephants are.
Sure, explain them the picture.
Yeah, so, but there's also another elephant that's smaller, that's its own species. It's the Borneo elephant. It's a well-documented variety of elephants that is also called a pygmy elephant. This elephant inhabiting tropical rainforests in North Borneo was long thought to be identical to the Asian elephant and descended from captive population in 2003, DNA comparison revealed them to probably be a new subspecies. A 2010 study found that there were estimated 2,040 elephants in Sabaya. So there's kind of like how there's little people, there's little elephants that are all related and have the same DNA, and they're like African forest elephants, except they have genes that made them a smaller height. But there's also an elephant that is that species that is always small and stuff. And it's called the Borneo elephant. Not to be confused. And then the last thing is the term pygmy elephant should not be confused with dwarf elephant, which is also used for a number of extinct species of elephant that involve their size due to island dwarfing. And then this is a Borneo elephant, or the true pygmy elephant, next to African elephant, I believe.
Might not be.
And as you can see, it only goes up to the knee of the elephant. So those are the elephants.
And before I forget, I want to thank Wikipedia and Google Images. Just give credit to them because we use most of them. And the pages, I'll explain some survival. So this is survival. It's pretty big. And it says only elephants should wear ivory. I demonstrated it on our sculpture of an elephant. So people kill them just for their ivory, which is really bad because they're going to go to extinct really soon. So
if there's killing,
so we need to try to stop that. And we made this elephant a African, Asian, or pygmy. So you can go on the comments and say which one you think it is.
So that's not all the pages on our website.
There's still more,
but we can't really fit them in this video. So please go to our website and check it out more.
Get in the comments and see what
it's called allelephants.weebly.com.